tightly, flow like a harpoon, daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and wax a trunk like a candle. Damn! Speak of that boom, I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom, deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better can't wait. You better hit bullseye, the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook on my DJ Revolves. Jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Put it on, quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal with a hi-hat and a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo. Rolling in my 5.0 with my rag top down so my hair can blow. The village all stand by, waiting to say hi. The top? No, I just drove by, kept on. To the next stop, I bust a left and I'm heading to the next block. The block was dead, yo, so I continued to A1A. Girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis. Rockman lovers, driving Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready, cause I jumps on the wall. The chump stacks are nimble cause they're full of 8-ball. Gunshot, ringed out like a bell. I grabbed my 9 cause all I heard was shells. Falling on the concrete real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. Trying to get away from the jack is jacked. Police on the scene, you know what I mean. They passed me up, confronting all the dope fiends. If there was a problem, yo, I solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. I'm a lyrical poet. My name's on the scene just in case you didn't know it. My town that created all the bass sound, enough to shake and kick holes in the ground. Cause my style's like a chemical spill. These my rhymes you can vision and feel. Conducted in form, it's a hell of a concept. We make it hype, and you wanna stay with this. Shape things on the blade, slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say, damn, if my rhyme was a drug, I'd sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose, magnetized by the mic while I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.